What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy, Quail. Where the freaking fish at? I don't know. We about to head to our spot right now. But before we get all the way into the video, if you like catching catfish, you like fishing, you like watching people fishing, I'm gonna need for you to smash that like button right now. Also subscribe. Also share the channel. Now let's go make our way to the river. So currently right now, I'm on the move for a new spot. Got somebody else with two of my spots. I didn't plan on doing too much walking today. It's two people in both spots. And my other spot is on the other side of the river, and I don't plan to be out here all day. Probably a good little 4 hours. See if we catch anything. And, you know, but it looked like we just might have to fish at another spot, like I said, and see how it play out. Yeah, I ain't walking no more. Whew. Luckily, my spot is on the river walk. Boy, I'm tired. All right. I guess I'll just go back to my first spot, and where I normally fish is at. I just have to walk down a little path all the way and fish off the end. I don't like going over there because I get snagged up a lot in that spot. But hey, just out here for a couple of hours, see what these fish are biting on and see how it play out. So stay tuned. Check out the spot. First time fishing this spot. Hopefully we can catch something. Oh, you gonna catch some fish? What kind of fish you gonna catch? You ain't gonna say something? What's your name?
Okay. My name.
Huh? What's your name? Yeah? All right, y'all, moving from this spot. This spot has been trash, y'all. All we kept doing is keep getting snagged. So what we do is right now I'm getting everything together. We're gonna go ahead and just move to another spot. But I did was kind of playing with this spot right here. Some little brims up in here. So if I don't know if I want to go use a brim, I might have to come over here, but I can catch brim on my other spot. But over here, I just keep getting snagged on everything. So what I'm gonna do is I went and walked my other side, the one I normally fish at, and he's gone now. So I'm about to go over there, move everything, and hopefully we can get a catfish over there. But let's go ahead and get this moved. Get this baited up.
What you doing? Look, Arnie.
And get it back out there. We at the new spot right now. Watch out.
Come here.
Yes, sir. Right where I want to get it. Alright, see what's happening. Alright, second ride going out.
Come on, let's go to your daddy's house.
Got some chicken.
Come on, let's go to your daddy's house. Bye.
First ride we threw out, you know, got that stank bait on there, and then we're just gonna hook it just like that, and hopefully we get it, catch a cat. Yeah, put that down.
Come back down here, Arnie.
Alright. Yes, it's a good cast right there, y'all. Alright. Get that down. Oh, Hope they don't lead over my line. All right. All right, y'all, we finally getting a bite. But I don't know which line is on, 'cause both of them are jumping. They probably just playing around. Yo, this line have been jumping. Well, not jumping, but you know, moving a little bit. I might have a little chicken nugget on here, cuz. Let's see. Go ahead up. Reel this thing in. I'm about to say, I don't know, that thing kind of heavy. Nah, catch me on that line right there, cause I see that line coming up. So we came off of it. I don't know, we about to find out. Yeah, we got it. Oh, do we? I don't know. Do we got, yeah, we, how does this happen, y'all? And whatever was on that line took my chicken. So they down there playing around. I think SpongeBob down there playing around, y'all. Look at this. This is crazy. These 2 different hooks on 2 different lines. Oh boy, let me get this situated and get these rods back out, y'all. Uh-oh, y'all, we getting some action. Must be something little. I just threw the rod out, y'all. Tell me if you can, yeah, there you go. You can see we getting some action. You might be already on, y'all. I just threw that out like 3 seconds. I don't know what to do. Should I reel it in? I don't know. But they loving that peanut butter. Uh-oh, now the other one going off. The other one going off. This one was going off. I don't know what to do, y'all. Think we might have a double up, y'all? If it is, it's probably 2 chicken nuggets. Y'all, something might be on this one. Why is that line all the way over there? You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and reel it in, y'all. See what's on there. Yes, sir, we got something, y'all. We got some. Let's go. Let's go. First chicken nugget of the day. Oh, he giving a little fight. He might not need no net for this. Oh, I think he's tangled on my other line too. Cause I see my other line coming in. Let's go. They hungry now. Oh, yeah, he fight. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, we ain't got no chicken now. We got a decent one. About chicken nuggets. Oh, damn. Really? Really, cuz? Y'all see this? You really gonna do all that? Hey. Got us a nice little channel, y'all. Did he get untangled? Oh my God. Now let me get him untangled right quick, y'all, and then I'll show y'all how he look like. All right. So far, we got this little channel right here. That's it so far. I wanna, I wanna see what the weight is on this little thing. I know it ain't much, probably like 2 pounds probably. But I wanna start weighing these cats. God damn it. So I can be able to eyeball them and see how much they weigh, you know? He don't probably weigh much. What are we looking at? Damn, cuz. I don't know if y'all can see. Bro, you ain't even a pound. Let me make sure I got this right. You ain't even a pound yet, cuz. He ain't even a pound. What you doing? So you a chicken nugget. You ain't even 1 pound. But let's throw him on, go ahead and throw him on the screen. I might take him, I might not. I mean, not take him to my house, but he might end up at somebody else's house. A little pretty little channel. That's it, baby. What do we got on here? Come on, hit that thing. I want you to hit that thing hard. I want that thing to go, Man, thing's probably a chicken. Probably a chicken nugget, y'all. Come on, man. They tasting it right now. Okay. All right. What you gonna do with it? I'm gonna keep taking it. Run that way with it. What you gonna do? They playing with it, y'all. I don't know, y'all. Y'all think something on that? Or they just playing with it? They grabbing it, dropping it, grabbing it, dropping it. Hit it. What you scared of? That bird looking for a fish. I don't know if y'all see that. Y'all see that bird? Y'all, I think I might go ahead and reel it in. There might be another chicken nugget, y'all. It's a chicken nugget kind of night. Ooh. He on there, y'all. He on there. Let's see what we got on here. Man. Oh. There might not be nothing on here, y'all. Might be a stick or something. I don't feel no jerking motion. You got, man, really, cuz. Bro, we got bait. Bro. Bro. What kind of mess is this, y'all? You're making me look bad, man. You're making me look bad, man. Maybe I should just throw him back out for a bigger catfish. What y'all think? Bro, how did you even get on this ride, bro? Come back when you're bigger. Preferably 5, no, I want 10 pounds. At least 10 pounds. All right. Flap away, my guy. Ah. The babies must be hungry. They starting to bite now, though. That's 2 on the deck. And the sun is going down, so we'll see how it goes. I ain't gonna be out here probably about another hour. Let's see how it goes. Uh-oh, we got one, cool. He on that, cool. Oh, come on, where the big boys at? I don't know what size he is, y'all. We got fight to him, though. We got fight to him. He ain't big. God damn, is it chicken nugget night? Jesus Christ. Let's see what he look like, y'all. Maybe he might be the size of the other one I just had. It's a channel, y'all. Y'all can't see, can y'all? Hold on right quick, chat. Another chicken nugget, y'all. Look at this. Well, at least that's 3. We ain't leaving without nothing, so let me go ahead and get him back in the water. All right, little buddy. Come back when you're bigger like the other one. Boy, look at that. So calm and cool. And he biting, but I'm about to get ready to go soon. We're gonna throw out probably one more time and see what happens. Maybe we can get a big one, y'all. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up tonight. Had fun, caught with three catfish, 3 or 4. Y'all seen it on camera, but I don't have my other light so y'all can see me clearly. So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for subscribing, and catch y'all at the next video. We out.